How to fix iCloud backup, the last backup could not be completed error. So if you want to fix your iCloud backup, the last backup could not be completed error, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection or the stable network connection. Now once you've done with the network connection, second thing you need to do is check whether your iCloud storage is full or not. So open up your settings and then just scroll down a bit and go with general. Under general, you need to scroll down again, go with transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset, which will be in the bottom, and then tap on reset network settings. After resetting your network settings, then any kind of error related to the network will be solved. Now you need to simply go back and then tap on your name, which will be in the top. And from the name, you need to scroll down and go with iCloud. And first of all, you have to check whether your iCloud storage is enough to back up your data. Sometimes if you try to back up your iCloud, the data on your iCloud memory will not be enough to back up all of your data. That's why it may say last backup could not be completed. So as you can see that in my case, my storage is full and I won't be able to back up. So if it's the case, then just grab some storage and then start the backup, and it might fix your problem. Moreover, you can also buy iCloud storage from the Apple Store. Buy iCloud Plus. You'll have up to 12 TB of storage. There will be more space for you and your family. That's how you can fix your backup or the last backup could not be completed error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.